What's going on, guys? It's Ronnie from rtakb.com, and today I'm going to show you a few things you can do to upgrade your kitchen without spending a fortune. First thing you can do is replace your kitchen sink. And the reason why I say the kitchen sink is because it's probably the most used item in the kitchen. It's where you clean dishes, but also nowadays you can choose something like a workstation sink because it comes in with built-in ledges and it can hold a cutting board, drying rack, and strainers. So it turns your sink into a whole prep station, which is perfect because you can maximize counter space and it makes everything much more organized. The second thing you can do is actually change the color of your cabinets. This way you don't have to spend a fortune on new cabinetry and then pay someone to install them. You can just paint the cabinets a different color. This way you freshen up the space and you save some money. Now, after you've painted your cabinets, the third thing I would do is change the cabinet hardware. You can either choose all poles or all knobs, and sometimes people mix and match. This way, new paint, new hardware, new sink, this definitely will freshen up your space and you won't spend thousands of dollars. Now, when choosing hardware, and depending on the color that you paint your cabinets, there's certain finishes that pair well with the color that you chose. So for example, I've seen white kitchens with black hardware, brushed gold hardware, or something like chrome or polished nickel. Those usually pair well with white cabinets. Now, if you have navy or dark blue cabinets, usually gold, black, or copper can pair well with these type of cabinets, or even gray. Gray pairs well with chrome, or black, or stainless steel. So these things are important to keep in mind because it can definitely complete the look of your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe so we can keep making videos like this. And if you're in the market for a sink or cabinet hardware, visit and support our small business, rtakb.com, and you can use code YouTube for 10% off.